Hi, welcome to my channel Likshaidu, where we simplify learning with clear answers. In this video, we'll tackle model questions and provide detailed answers to help you prepare confidently. Question 1. Use the terms MLA and constituency to explain who an MLA is and how is the person elected. Answer. An MLA, Member of Legislative Assembly, is an elected representative of the people in a state. Each state is divided into different constituencies. People of each constituency elect one MLA. The candidate who gets the majority of votes becomes the MLA of that constituency. Question 2. How did some MLAs become ministers? Explain. Answer. The political party that wins the majority of seats in the state forms the government. The leader of that party becomes the chief minister. The chief minister selects some MLAs from her party as ministers to handle various departments like health, education, agriculture, etc. Question 3. Why should decisions taken by the chief minister and other ministers be debated in the Legislative Assembly? Answer. Debates ensure transparency and accountability. Opposition MLAs can ask questions, raise concerns, and check the government's work. This prevents misuse of power and ensures that decisions are made in the interest of people. Question 4. What was the problem in Patalpuram? What role did the government play to solve it? Answer. Problem. Patalpuram faced a severe water shortage, lack of proper sanitation, and spread of diseases. Government's role. The health minister visited, ordered proper medical facilities, checked water supply, and coordinated with other departments to control the crisis. Question 5. What is the difference between the work that MLAs do in the assembly and the work done by government departments? Answer. MLAs in the assembly debate issues, make laws, question government, represent people. Government departments implement policies, provide services like water, electricity, health, education, etc. The following extra questions are provided for extended practice. 1 mark questions. Question 1. Who heads the state government? Answer. The Chief Minister. Question 2. What is the full form of MLA? Answer. Member of Legislative Assembly. 2 mark questions. Question 1. Who is the head of the state in India? How is she different from the Chief Minister? Answer. The Governor is the head of the state, appointed by the President. The Chief Minister is the real head of government, elected by the people. Question 2. How does the ruling party prove its majority in the Assembly? Answer. By winning more than half the seats or through a floor test in the Legislative Assembly. 3 mark questions. Question 1. Explain the role of opposition parties in the Assembly. Answer. Opposition parties question the ruling government, raise people's issues, suggest improvements, and prevent misuse of power. Question 2. Why are debates important in a democracy? Answer. They ensure accountability, give voice to different views, and help in better decision making for the welfare of citizens. 5 mark questions. Question 1. Describe how laws are made in the State Legislative Assembly. Answer. A. A proposal is introduced as a bill. B. MLAs discuss, debate, and suggest changes. C. The Assembly votes on it. D. If passed, it goes to the Governor for approval. A. After approval, it becomes a law. Question 2. The state government works through both elected representatives and officials. Explain with examples. Answer. MLAs represent people and take decisions in the assembly, while officials in government departments implement these decisions. For example, the health minister decides on policies, but doctors and staff carry them out. Your questions make these videos possible, so keep sharing them. See you in the next one.